Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a lead capture page in your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a lead capture page in SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing content, you know that it's important to have a specific lead page depending on what the content is. Whatever the case is, handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a lead capture page, here on the left menu, you're going to click on Pages. Once you've done that, you want to click on this black Create New button here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on Lead Capture. Okay, so here you can go ahead and name your lead capture page. Okay, I went ahead and named it. If you want to change the slug or the URL, you can do that right here. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it, and you want to click on Create Page. Okay, once you do that, SamCart's going to show you their templates. You can go ahead and build from scratch if you want to do that. I personally prefer to use their templates. It's going to help you get your landing page up and running quicker so you can start capturing more leads. So just scroll through and then see which one kind of fits with your brand. Don't worry, you're going to be able to edit the words, the colors, the pictures. So for me, I kind of like this one right here. All right, once you click on it, it's going to give you an image of it. So if it looks good, go ahead and click this blue button, Preview, click to start editing. Okay, lead capture pages are split up into sections, as you can see right here, Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4. And then off to the left, you're going to see the editor. So to edit a section, you're just going to click into it. So let's go ahead and work on Section 2. All right, once you click on it, you're going to see this part light up blue. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and click in here, and I'm going to go ahead and update this. For example, it says get your free guide. Let's go ahead and change this to checklist. Checklist. And as you see, it starts to update inside of the lead capture page. And then here we have the lead capture form. So it's just asking for the email. So we're going to hover over that and then click on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, for me, I'm going to go ahead and request their name as well. And instead of download now, maybe we're going to change the button label to send me my checklist now. Okay, after they submit their lead information, where do you want them to go? So you can go ahead and just put a text on screen. But what I'll normally do is I'll go ahead and click on redirect, and then I'll put in my URL. So for example, I'll just use YouTube for now. So that way, when they put their information into the lead capture form, it's going to redirect to this link right here. So this could be your blog, it could be your YouTube channel, it could be to an order screen, or it could be to a download page if you're giving away some sort of free checklist. And you want to click on update. Okay, now if you want to edit the layout, you can just hover over this. And you see right above, you're going to see this kind of gear icon. Click on there. And let's say maybe we want to move the text over to the left. We can do that, or to the right, or to the middle. And same thing right here. Get your free checklist. And then here you can see another gear icon. Just click on there. And maybe we're going to move that over to the left. And you can see all of it scoots on over to the left. I kind of like it in the middle. Now, if you want to add a new section here, all you're going to do is on this left blue bar, just hover over it and you'll see another gear icon, a different gear icon. Just click on there and we can go ahead and add a new section. Okay, so we added a new section in here, and then we're going to hover over it and we're going to click on this blue plus icon and add some content. So it could be an image, it could be letters or words. And if you scroll through it, it could be a bar chart, which that sounds good to me. I'm going to go ahead and click there. Okay, so now we have a bar chart. Okay, so now we can go ahead and edit this. So maybe we don't like the bar version of it. We can go ahead and just hover over here and maybe change that into a pie chart, and you see it kind of updates. So these are names of mountains, it looks like. So let's go ahead and click in here and let's change Everest to passive income. Okay, see it starts to update. Okay, and then we're going to click into the data. Let's go ahead and update this, and you can see it starts to adjust based on the data. Okay, and then over here, we're going to go ahead and maybe name this YouTube income. So as you can see, you can go ahead and just keep adjusting it until the chart looks the way you want. Also, if there's sections that you don't want, you can kind of just hover over it here on the right side. So for example, trusted by these companies, we'll go ahead and just hover over that section number 4, and then we can delete it. Okay, now it's deleted. Same thing with these. You can go ahead and delete and delete. Okay, and then maybe we want this section up to the top. We can go ahead and hover over here and then click on the gear icon and then fix section to top. All right, once you've done that, you want to grab the blue bar and just grab it and drag it up to the top. So we'll put it right here. And as you can see, we put the new section all the way to there to the top. Okay, once you've done all of that and you've edited it the way you want it to, go ahead and click on settings here on the top left. Okay, here on the settings, you want to click on pixels and scripts. Okay, so this is where you can go ahead and add in your pixels or HTML code. And once you're finished, go ahead and click on publish here on the top right. Okay, this lets you know it's going to go live. If you're okay with that, click on publish page. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now it says it's published, so we can click here on see live page. Okay, so here is what our lead capture page looks like that we created in SamCart. And here's the URL right here. So we can just copy that, and then we can go ahead and paste it into our YouTube channel, into our emails, or wherever you send out your lead capture pages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a lead capture page in your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.